The arrival of 5G means fixed wireless access is thriving, with 5G midbands at the heart of its success. Adding mmWave to the mix would see operators reach a whole new level, tackling data congestion with 8 times more spectrum than midbands. But mmWave has its challenges. The good news is we can now overcome them. mmWave must be line of sight. Although mmWave is far more sensitive to obstructions and interference than midband 5G, high-gain antennas can overcome this to make weak signals and reflections usable. Our Nokia 360 high-gain technology allows mmWave reflections to be picked up from any direction, enabling non-line-of-sight operation and indoor coverage. mmWave requires a professional installation. Our 360 high-gain technology makes it easy for the subscriber to install themselves, combining very high-gain antennas with advanced algorithms to lock onto the best signal for brilliant coverage both inside and outside the home. Changing environments will block signals. Modern environments are littered with potential obstacles. Yet, thanks to the Nokia 360 high-gain and advanced AI, if interruptions occur, our intelligent algorithms allow you to connect to the best signal. With these problems solved, mmWave can do so much more, in so many more places. mmWave's usefulness in dense urban locations was never in doubt. But making it viable everywhere else, that requires innovation. By supplementing 5G midbands with mmWave from base stations, we can create a capacity overlay that serves nearby subscribers, allowing operators to save these midbands for those farther away. What's more, high-gain antennas can even bring gigabit services to reality in rural, pure line-of-sight conditions over 10 kilometers or more. Nokia cost-effectively solves the challenge of mmWave fixed wireless access with high performance and intelligence. Finally, putting the power of 5G in your customers' hands, no matter where they call home.